I have selected second grade to implement my math lesson plan. In second grade, most students are in the concrete operational stage of PJ's cognitive development. The children begin thinking logically about concrete events but have difficult understanding abstract concepts. In second grade, the students expected to use patterns, numbers, and operation. The students expected to find patterns, numbers such as in 100 charts, and determine patterns in related addition and subtraction. This activity is instructional learning activity. The adult chooses the experience and gives some direction for the children's action. So today we're going to talk about patterns. Okay, look at your 100 chart. Is there any patterns you see?
Yes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
So this is called additive patterns. When you keep adding or subtracting the same amount repeatedly, that's called additive patterns. Another pattern that you can see will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You keep adding 1. And another pattern will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And you keep adding 10 to get the other amount. Okay, now I want you to look at your chart and with some colors. I want you to color different patterns that you see for different patterns. Okay, that's one pattern. Okay, now use another color for another pattern. Do you see we have 5, 10, 15, 20.
You're adding 5.
You're adding 5. How about if you have 3, 6, 9? What pattern do you have?
You're adding 3.
You're adding 6, 12. What will be the next number?
18.
It will be 18. So what will be the next number after 18? 24. Okay. So look at your chart. You can see we have 6, 5, 10, 15. Is there another way you can say it without looking at the chart? If there's an equation that we can do. When I have 5, 10, 15, can we say that we're adding 5?
Yes.
Okay, so to make an equation that a number plus 5, because you said we were adding 5, right?
Yes.
So the number would be this one, 50. And then you add 5. So if you have 50 and you add 5, what would that?
20.
That would be 20. So what if we have 3, 6, 9, 12? What would be an equation you can do for that?
Number plus 3.
Number plus 3, so it would be n plus 3. And you're going to take this number. So it would be 12 plus 3 equals 15. So what's something that you can do to check your answer? Let's say
inverse operation.
Inverse operation. So you're doing the opposite, right?
Yes.
So what we have to do is we have 15. We'll subtract 10. What would that give you?
5.
Okay. So if we have 10 and we subtract 5, what will they give you?
5.
5. So we either adding or subtracting 5, right?
Yes.
So on this one, what will you do? 6 minus 3? What will I give you?
3.
Okay. How about 9 minus 6? What will that be?
3.
How about, what's another doing?
12 minus 9.
12 minus 9. Okay. Good job. Okay, now I want you to work some problems on your own. Let's say this, look at this one. It's 35. Shade 35 in your thing. Where's 35? We have 35, 55, 65, 75. And we have a number missing. What is that number?
45.
45. Okay, write 45 right here. Do this one on your own and tell me the answer.
50.
It's 50?
Yes.
How do you solve it?
I take 75 from, take 100 from 75 and it's counting by 25, so I added 25.
so you added 25. Or you can think about quarters too, like you have 25, and if you add a quarter, that'll be 50 cents, right?
Yes.
And if you add another quarter, that'll be 75. And if you add another quarter, that'll be $1. Definition for adding patterns, and I also wanted to do an example of something we did today.